Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to create a platform, means basic platform on which our player will fall as we start the game. Just let's see. If we press play, here you can see our player is fall on this platform. So for this, go to assets, select the platform and select falling platform and select the falling platform. Here you can see the size of platform is 32 into 10. So convert pixel into 16 and sprite mode into multiply and filter mode into and apply. Open sprite editor, click on slice, select grid by cell and change into 32 into 10. Press slice and apply and close. Now simply drag the platform into the scene. I am going to just delete it and select it platform and rename it player falling platform, or you can also say default platform. Perfect. Now I am going to create animation for this platform. So simply select the animation and just bring it here, and now select the platform and create and name into assets. Go to assets, animation, and make a folder and name it platform animations and name it default platform animation and save it. Now select these and bring into timeline and change into, if I press play, here you can see. Next thing which we will see, if I press play, you can see our player cross the platform. So select the platform and click on add command, type for Bugs Collider 2D and zoom in and just edit the platform. Now if I press play, here you can see our player is just. So I am giving you a task, create other platform animations for other platform, just like fan, rotating platform and spike ball. See you in next lecture.